Hello everyone, I'm Carmen here. In this video, I'm excited to introduce our lithium batteries for forklifts, AGVs, pallet jacks, tractor, and other industrial equipment. Our lithium battery use automotive-grade lithium-ion phosphate cells and use laser welding technology to meet high current of charging and discharging requirements. Our batteries also feature a smart BMS to ensure working safety in challenging conditions. The preheating function is optional for cold storage applications. Our batteries are the perfectly AC replacement. Customize the battery size to fit in the battery compartment for easy installation. And we carefully consider the count weight to optimize the weight distributions and maximize the lifting capacity of your equipment. To satisfy different motive power needs, we offer a wide range of 24-volt, 36-volt, 48-volt, and 80-volt lithium batteries. The voltage and capacity can be tailored as per the specific requirements. That's all for today. If you are seeking a lithium batteries well suited for industrial and warehouse equipment, contact us at sales@polinovel.com to discuss further details.